in Beijing. A verdict is to be announced this morning following the trial of former senior party official Bo Xilai. The former secretary of CPC Chongqing Municipal Committee is charged with bribery, embezzlement and abuse of power. We will bring you the latest in the case live from Jinan in East China's Shandong province all this morning. So please stay tuned. For more insight into this case, we're also joined in the studio by Professor Li Zhaojie from the Law School at Tsinghua University. Thank you very much for joining us, Professor.
You're welcome.
We'll talk to you very soon. As we just mentioned, Jinan Intermediate People's Court is about to deliver its verdict on former Chongqing Party chief Bo Xilai. The trial was held over 5 days in August at the court in Jinan, the capital of East China's Shandong province. Bo Xilai is charged with taking bribes of over 21 million yuan, embezzling 5 million yuan and abuse of power. At the trial, prosecutors demanded a heavy sentence for Bo. He defended himself. The prosecution and defendant went through a thorough cross-examination and were given full opportunity to express their opinions. In their summarizing statement, prosecutors said the evidence presented in court fully demonstrated clear facts and the evidence was sufficient to convict Bo Xilai of those crimes. Our reporter Hona is now at the Jinan Intermediate People's Court. She tells us the latest about this morning.
Well, the court opens at 10 o'clock sharp and it is expected to last for about an hour, and there will be a press briefing from the spokesperson of the Jinan Intermediate Court after the court is adjourned. And as we speak, the judge is reading the indictment paper on the 3 charges of bribery, which involves 22 million RMB, and the 3.5 million US dollars, and the embezzlement, which involves 5 million RMB, and the abuse of power for covering up the murder case of British businessman Neil Haywood. Well, during the 5-day hearing last month, Bo has made a strong denial to the charges. He said the charges were untrue, but he did admit that he failed to discipline his family and his subordinates. He took some of the responsibilities for Wang Lijun, the former Chongqing police chief's defection to the U.S. consulate last February. Well, there is also a cross-examination part among the prosecutors, the witnesses and the defendant. And according to the prosecutor in his final statement, the prosecutor said the evidence are sufficient that Bo has committed serious crimes and there is no legal basis for a lenient verdict. Of course, there is another possibility that due to Bo's strong denial and his strong characteristics, is very likely to appeal. Well, according to China's legal procedure, he can appeal in court or within 10 days after the court is adjourned. Back to you.